Hey peeps, it's your girl Daxani. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is having a great week, month, day, year so far. Let me know how all of you are doing down below in the comment section. Tell me something about your life. Has anything interesting happened to you recently? Are you just chilling like a villain? Comment what's been going on. I'm genuinely curious because, I feel like every once in a while we need to check up on each other, So tell me the good, the bad, the cray-cray, converse with one another, all that jazz. But if you're having a sucky week, just keep your head up. It's only hump day today, the weekend is right around the corner, and then you can just relax as much as you can, take time to yourself, take a moment to breathe, brush off the haters.
What's on you? What the is that? Girl, it's right there. The haters.
Dust them off. Get them off ya. As for me, it's been a chill week. Kind of hectic, but chill at the same time. I know that probably doesn't even make sense, but anyways, I meant to upload this video last Friday, but your girl was exhausted, so thus you're getting this today. So, happy hump day. Here's a video. I've been just adulting and I ended up fitting a drawing into my schedule. Sure, it's another draw this in your style video, but hey, that means more practice for me. So in today's video, I drew this lovely character created by artist Tatyana Vogt Art. I hope I said your last name correctly, please forgive me. She has an Instagram, but is also an art YouTuber, and as always, I'll go ahead and put her links to all of her social media accounts down below in the description box if you guys want to check her out. I think she's great. I love her bubbly personality. I think her and I could be best friends if we ever met in person, but she has great vibes going on in her YouTube channel and just her artwork in general. And if you guys are looking for that, I definitely advise that you go check her out. So, about this witchy character, I just loved everything about it, okay? The color palette, the dreads, the dress, the witchy theme, I couldn't resist. This was the one. It was meant to be. I had saved a bunch of other Draw This in Your Style artworks before I saw this one, but I made this one a priority. This one came first. I was just so in love with this. But hold up, you guys. I gotta pat myself on the back once again. This happens once in a blue moon, but I actually drew both hands and they both look pretty decently, if I do say so myself. You guys, I'm like tearing up right now because I did that. Like, look at them. Look at those hands. They're so... I'm really proud of myself, honestly. And I mean, look, okay, the pose, I don't know what kind of pose that is. I just thought it just felt right. And it took a while to even get her to pose like that. Lots of erasing and redos and stuff. But you know what? I drew two hands. I went above and beyond. And I think they're cute. They're really dainty and... Man, I rocked it. I really rocked it. I'm proud of myself. Oh my gosh. I hope every hand I draw can look just as nice as these. They're wonderful. But anyways, I thought that would be the first thing to comment. Something positive to comment on my own drawing, which is really cool. So, okay, moving on. My favorite thing about this whole drawing, about doing this whole Draw This in Your Style, was the dreads. And I think I've mentioned this before in I think I said it in my mermaid video where I gave her dreads, but I used to hate drawing dreads. I think it was because the fact that it was tedious for me, and like most things are sometimes, but I eventually learned to love drawing dreads. Like, honestly, like, I do want to incorporate more dreads, and for Inktober, I'm creating a character, an OC that's going to have dreads, and I'm super excited. I'm hoping to put out some Inktober videos for you guys, but we'll see because it's all going to be traditional art, and I don't know how that camera setup is going to be, so I'm still trying to figure it out. But anyways, drawing dreads here was so much fun. Like, I was taking my time, I was like listening to music, I was feeling the groove, the witchy vibes and everything, so that was cool. And then the clothing. Okay, I'm gonna jump into the clothing now. You know, I still suck at drawing clothes on characters, but you know, we'll get there eventually. But I must say, I loved how I drew the sweater on her. I thought it was a success, maybe except for that bottom part, like where under her arms is, that's connecting to like the skirt part of her outfit. It looks a little funky there, but I think overall it turned out really great. I gave her some glowy eyes, only because like looking compared to the other drawing, it looks like as if her eyes were glowing, so I wanted to add that magical glow to her eyes and all that stuff. So yeah, you know, added some shadows, some lighting, some unnecessary highlights that looks super cute. But I know this is a really short video, it's not longer than usual, only because I haven't really had time recently, so I'm hoping to just really plan on doing Inktober videos. But anyways, that's kind of just a little update. But yeah, this is my version of Tatyana Vogt's character, her witchy character, and I love it so much. I think it's super cute, guys. I'm so excited. It turned out so beautiful. But anyways, let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new, feel free to subscribe, but you know, don't feel obligated to. It's just a suggestion. Oh, and wait, hold on, don't exit the video yet. I just want to give a quick shout out to one of my subscribers. Her name is Marlyana Animates, and if I pronounced your first name wrong, please let me know, and let me know how to correctly say it, please. So she basically asked me if she can redraw my water element Visco girl character, and I told her, yeah, sure, go for it, you know, just as long as you tag me so I can see what you did. I'm curious to know what it looks like in your style. And next thing I know, boom, this is what she tags me in, and I flippin' love it. Yes, you go, girl. I love it so much, especially what you did with the hydro flask water bottle, like that two-tone gradient color. It looks like a coral mixed with the yellow. I love the way that looks, and I love it. So yeah, once again, thank you, Marlyana, for wanting to draw one of my characters. I really appreciate that. Thank you. And of course, I will go ahead and link her Instagram and her YouTube channel down below in the description box. If you guys want to check out all of her stuff that she has done, definitely worth checking out. But as always, thank you all for listening. Thanks for watching, and I shall chat with you soon in the next video. Bye!